Welcome to another helpful video by Golden Rule. I am Royce Murphy, and today we'll be discussing something essential for homeowners in Des Moines, Iowa. Your water softener and how often you should add salt to it. You know, water softeners play a crucial role in ensuring your water is free from those minerals that can cause limescale buildup and reduce the effectiveness of your appliances. But have you ever wondered, how often should I add salt to my water softener? Well, let's dive in. First things first, how often should you add salt to your water softener? The answer depends on a few factors such as your water hardness and the size of your system. In central Iowa, our water hardness levels can vary, so it's essential to consider these variables. Generally, you should check your salt levels at least once a month if you notice the salt is running low or if your water feels harder. It's time to add more. On average in the Des Moines metro, households may need to add salt every 6 to 8 weeks, but remember, it's better to add it a little sooner than to run out. Now you might wonder, how long does a 40-pound bag of water softener salt last? Well, a standard 40-pound bag can last quite a while. For an average Midwest household, it should keep your system running for about 1 to 2 months. But of course, it can vary based on your water usage and the efficiency of your system. What happens if you forget to add salt? Your water softener can go without salt for a few days to a week before you start noticing the effects of your hard water. You might see soap scum, scale buildup on faucets, and appliances not working as efficiently. If you neglect to add salt for an extended period, your water softener's resin beads can become less effective, potentially leading to costly repairs. So, how can you maintain your water softener? Here are some tips. Use high quality water softener salt, clean the brine tank, inspect the resin tank for any clumping, and keep a regular maintenance schedule. In conclusion, maintaining your water softener salt levels is crucial for enjoying the benefits of softened water in your home. Regular checks and timely salt additions can help you avoid the negative effects of hard water and extend the life of your system. If you ever need assistance with your water softener in central Iowa, don't hesitate to contact us at Golden Rule. We're here to help you keep your water soft and your home running smoothly. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to subscribe for more informative videos from Golden Rule. Take care, and here's to soft water in your home.